Alright. Ms. Kiff chose
Candy, I'll DM you, I promise.
host!
Why did you go for me, Candy? From the beginning I didn't even want to be here. How did you not know? Candy, come on, I literally, what the hell? I didn't do anything. Of course it was host the whole time. E-Rob, you want to go live? I really don't want to go live. I can't.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know what that means?
Candy, I feel so sorry.
Turkeys are one of the dumbest animals that I've ever worked with, and I say that in like a loving way. I don't think that any animals are truly dumb, but I've had friends lose turkeys because when it rains, they go outside and they open their mouth and look up to the sky like they're trying to drink it, and they drown.
Hero versus the one person being the guy who can't get through it, and you don't like that person.
Right.
So usually when we do things like this, we want to give a way for someone that can assist the rest of the party.
Are you trying to get someone else to open it? Do this. Just open it and then back away really quick. You'll see the run. All right. So how much is there? There just one. This is the last room before the boss, right?
I believe it is. Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
This is a much bigger room than some of the other ones. It looks like.
Yeah. Again, like we wanted to get, vertical and have a room that wasn't focused on the exact same type of content that you've been fighting. So this went through a couple iterations through the development process, and eventually we land with a lot of turrets fly around.
Call Hassan, he's crying. Why do people keep mentioning Hassan? What is Hassan talking about? Provocative gamer. Provocateur gamer.
No, I don't want like just a flavor. I want an ice cream sandwich.
What? Okay.
And now his stream is bland. Fox girl from New Zealand.
We can be.
Now you just look like pink sparkles.
Nah, I look like. Wait, hold on. Nah, I look like Pink Sparkles, right?
Yeah. There, now you nailed it.
Aspen and I were playing Apex today, and he just was not doing the right stuff. He was just not. He just wasn't killing things. Just I don't know what the hell is going on with him, but he just wasn't doing it.
Wait, is she actually in chat? Dude, I didn't mean any shade, but
wait, she's Pink Sparkles. Oh, she's in chat. I'm gonna fist you. Wait, she's moving in. I'm gonna be the one starting drama. Why are you here, Pink Sparkles? Jesus Christ! Get the hell out of here. Fuck.
And I was like, why's my girlfriend like fucking smiling? What's going on here? Because we were talking about dick sizes, and like we're talking about I've got one of the biggest dicks in New Zealand. Like literally in the whole of the Whanganui Manawatu region, the guy like Steve Hugo's this professional dick builder. We got the biggest dick in the whole region. This we can understand. In terms of square footage, it's fucking massive. and then I was like, why is she laughing? And I was like, oh, it's because I'm saying dick a lot, and because he's saying dick. Because he was talking about dicks, because he's like a guy who literally makes dick finisher for a living. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. That was great.
Why? How are you laughing at that? It's like so.
It's so good.
It's so obvious that I'm saying something. See, as a Kiwi, it's like dick. Like you're talking about dicks, then dick. You can hear the difference, right? Dick.
I'm very easily amused, so that's all I need.
I have a dick. That's okay. That's D-I-C-K. Like, my girlfriend is on my dick right now with my daughter.
Let's look at every single multiplayer game community. They're like, if Fortnite doesn't fix their shit, I'm going to another game. I'm going to Overwatch. Yeah, they don't give a shit about the community either. I'm gonna go to can't go to Hearthstone. That game's dead as fuck, and they don't care about the community. I'm gonna go to League. No, you can't play League. Shut the fuck up. It's a totally different game. I'm gonna go to Apex. Oh yeah, the game that everybody's complaining about because they haven't done anything in like 4 months, and they just keep making shitty updates. These fuckers whine about everything.
Oh, yeah, playing that. Yay, I look cool! Yay! Let's kill. Cool. Battlefield's kind of weird. Sometimes you don't know if stuff's gonna kill off the top or not. But the top platform helps. Good, cancel.
No.
Oh, yes! This character's so cheap.
Okay. Okay, dude. Okay, dude. Okay, dude.
I feel like I wouldn't encourage them to not go up.
Listen, guys.
You should get pregnant.
Mods, what to do, boys? Cut the VOD. Cut the VOD. The clips. Ban the clippers, boys. Clean this shit up. Mods. Clean my mess, boys.
I miss my sleep. I think it's interesting to talk to you because you.
Oh, can you not do it from here? Don't do that. So I just want everyone to know, B says yes.
It's like some fancy recording. Yes.
Okay, so this isn't your first federal tax lien. Good.
Lettuce.
All right, not your first rodeo.
Lettuce.
Well, it's not all bad news.
Lettuce.
It's not. You're talking like this is not your first federal tax lien.
Lettuce.
Are you saying lettuce?
Lettuce. Wait, did he actually hear me? Who do you work with?
I don't know. Everybody call. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't want to call anyone stupid, but like Europe, is there anything between you? No, I'm sorry. But also, like, you need to try a little bit harder. You didn't say very much.
Oh.
K Bubbles.
You're really cute. You're really cute, and you were really sweet. But I don't.
How? Oh, he's just left.
Oh my god, I was so rude. I was so rude. Like a language barrier.
All right.
I was.
I've come back to
just blaming the
I showed it in the video. So you are hardcore stalking somehow. 4 subscribers? Shut the hell up.
Hello, JustSports player here. First video, I'm going to play my very own favorite piece, the violin. Even though it's not a sport, well, I think it sort of is, but you can comment on that. Okay, here's my favorite song. Yeah, I'll give you the rest of it. 2 days. Thanks for watching the first video. This is JustSports player. I'm out.
Her full name, anyone with a brain can just Google her name and links to FB.
Oh, how was it on my Facebook though?
Attack and see if we just win, right? No. Thud, target a planeswalker, or a player. Oh, first try! First try! Turn 3 win, first try! Dude. Yo! Oh.
Lands. And then I guess we'll cash into Ferry.
Let's try this.
And I think it's Elder Spell time. So kill this, this, and this. Submit.
Not again.
Ultimate. Bam. You are over. Well, that was pretty nice.
What was that question? Have you ever tried netplay? Yeah, I don't like it, but it keeps evolving, so I have to keep trying it. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll try Falco again.
F! No! Men's Kip 1, the Rod Chiller, sponsored by Jordwood Watches.
No, because that's like from like 5 days ago too. There's no way.
5 days?
That'd have been it. Don't watch on stream. That's not it, bro. If this. No, because that's not the clip. Because the context that they gave him was like, get the infernal you. That like, there's just no way. There's no way Blake said that.
They actually think he just said hard R, like he just dropped it on the stream. There's no way. It's not possible.